Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a polyline shape or rectangle into your PDF documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the page of the document inside Bluebeam Revu, and here on the right hand side select the polyline features. So what you want to do is start by drawing a rectangle like this. That's option number 1, and then left click, draw it, release your left mouse. And now if I zoom in, you will be given the opportunity to change the appearance of these corners of that rectangle, right? So that's one option. The other option would be to use the polyline tool again, left click, and then instead of holding your left mouse, set the start point, set the next start point, and so on and so forth. And that way create a shape like, I don't know, this one here, for example. And as you can see, if I switch to the select tool here, it is, that's a polyline shape I just created. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.